Okay, here are your vocabulary words for Unit 5, Chapter 6, Lesson 8, Geology, the changing earth. First one is mineral, which is a noun. It is a solid, non-living substance found in the earth that makes up rocks. The plural is minerals, and you can find it on page 53 in your reader, and these are all different types of minerals. Then we have texture, which is a noun. And I know texture can mean how different things feel. And it also means the size, shape, and sorting of the mineral grains in rocks. So also how the rocks feel and the size, shape, and how you can sort the rocks. Solidify is a verb, and it means to make or become hard or solid. So for example, here where the lava is becoming hard and solid. It's on page 54. Obsidian is a noun. It is a dark rock or natural glass formed from lava that cooled very quickly. You can see its sharp edges, and ancient tool makers loved obsidian because it was a hard substance and it would be good for tools and weapons. Granite is a noun, and it's a common igneous rock that forms from magma that cooled very quickly within Earth's crust. Many people have granite in their kitchens or bathrooms for their countertops. Those are lots of different types and colors of granite. Durable is an adjective, and it is able to last a long time in good condition. I thought this was an interesting picture because eggs are usually not durable, but this one is because the wrecking ball is breaking against the egg. Compact is a verb, and when you're talking about rocks, this compact means to closely pack or press together. And you can see these rocks have been pressed together and they're very compact. The granite. And then dissolved is an adjective. It's mixed with liquids, so no solid pieces are visible anymore. You can see here the sugar's on the bottom, but it dissolved in the water and you can no longer see any sugar. It totally dissolved.